Hey y'all, it's Juju on that grill, back with another video for you guys. This video I'm making Dusse wings. I know you heard Henny wings, but I'm doing Dusse wings. You're gonna start with a clean batch of chicken. Clean your chicken however you want to, however you like. That's up to you. These are the seasonings that I use. My seasoning of choice. You can use your seasoning of choice. It really doesn't matter. Just right here, I'm just seasoning my chicken. Got some mustard for the taste. Just rub it in there. You know, you want to rub your chicken down. Make sure you got it all over. That's honey bourbon marinade sauce that I'm using right there. And I let my chicken marinate for about 2 hours. Right here, I'm making the wet coating for my chicken. I just seasoned my egg. Make sure that's heavy cream. And I'm just mixing it up. After I let it marinate for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna start coating my chicken to fry it. This is my flour. As you can see, I seasoned my flour also. You're gonna drop your chicken in the flour first. The dry coating, and then you're gonna drop it in the wet coating second, and then back into the dry coating again. After that, you're gonna heat your oil up and just drop your chicken in the fryer. Let it fry for about 8 to 10 minutes or until your liking. Just keep checking it. Now I'm going into the Dusse sauce. I'm starting with some barbecue sauce, some honey, brown sugar, and a dash of minced garlic. And that's the Dusse. Put the Dusse last, the Dusse. Turn your heat on medium high and just, watch your sauce till it starts, bubbling up, giving that good bubbling. You know it's cooking. It's getting hot. It's getting heated up. And drop your chicken in. And, you want to get both sides. Make sure you get that Dusse sauce all over your chicken and get that flavor. Yeah, and this is my finished look. This is my finished outcome. Really quick, really simple recipe. We like to keep it quick and simple. And I hope you guys enjoy it.